Recently, I came across an article about a woman named Sarah who went from running marathons to barely being able to climb the stairs after getting COVID. This drastic change in her health made me realize she wasn't an isolated case. In fact, long COVID, as researchers call it, affects millions globally, persisting for months post-recovery. In today's episode, we'll explore the intricacies of long COVID. We'll understand its causes, delve into the ongoing research, and discuss potential coping strategies for those affected. It's a topic that's gaining more attention as cases rise, shedding light on the prolonged battles many face. Also, in this video, we're going to dig into what long COVID is, why it happens, and what you can do if you think you might have it. Subscribe to ensure you don't miss out on subsequent episodes, and let's get started. Imagine COVID as a burglar that breaks into your house, your body. It forcefully enters, disrupting everything in sight, representing the acute infection phase. Cabinets are overturned and windows shattered. As it leaves, despite no longer being present, the chaos persists. This lingering aftermath is akin to long COVID. The once orderly home now faces persistent issues. Flickering lights hint at neurological troubles, while incessant dripping from damaged pipes mirrors unending fatigue. This disarray can manifest in a variety of other ways, like shortness of breath, loss of or altered sense of smell or taste, anosmia or dysgeusia, trouble thinking or focusing, brain fog, chronic cough, headaches, difficulty sleeping or insomnia, depression, anxiety. Long COVID isn't picky about who it targets. Young, old, or athletes like Sarah. Anyone who's had COVID can be susceptible. The symptoms manifest uniquely in each individual, creating a spectrum of disturbances that can disrupt daily life. Imagine a bad roommate, one that's constantly noisy, leaving a mess behind and often oversteps boundaries. Symptoms like persistent brain fog echo through the mind. Fatigue scatters energy like misplaced belongings, and muscle aches that linger uncomfortably. Each case varies. Some endure minimal symptoms, while others face a full onslaught. Some people might just a few of these, while others get the whole package. Scientists are diligently searching for the root cause of long COVID, but it appears to be a multifaceted issue. Here are some leading theories that might explain why symptoms linger for months after the initial infection. Lingering viral reservoirs. Imagine the virus as a sneaky ninja. Even after you test negative and feel better, the SARS-CoV-2 virus might hide in certain tissues, causing ongoing trouble. This persistence could disrupt organ function and trigger continued symptoms. Cellular damage from the initial assault. Think of COVID as a bull in a china shop. The initial infection might damage tiny power plants within your cells called mitochondria. These power plants are crucial for energy production, and their dysfunction could explain the fatigue and weakness associated with long COVID. Chronic inflammation. Your immune system is a valiant defender, but sometimes it can be a bit overzealous. After fighting off the initial infection, the immune response might not completely shut down. This lingering inflammation could damage tissues and organs, leading to long-term health issues. Autoimmune response gone haywire. In some cases, COVID might confuse your immune system and turn it against your own body, similar to an autoimmune disorder. This could explain a variety of long COVID symptoms depending on which tissues are mistakenly targeted. Microscopic blood clots, very small blood clots, too tiny to cause a major event like a stroke, could still disrupt blood flow to vital organs. This impaired circulation might explain problems like shortness of breath and cognitive issues. Viral domino effect. Our bodies harbor a surprising number of dormant viruses. COVID might act like a domino, triggering the reactivation of these silent viruses, which could then contribute to long-term symptoms. Epstein-Barr virus, the culprit behind mononucleosis, is one example being investigated. Psychological impact of a serious illness. Let's not forget the mental and emotional toll of battling COVID, especially for those who experience severe cases or hospitalization. Anxiety, depression, and other psychological effects can linger, further impacting well-being. It's important to note that these theories are not mutually exclusive. Long COVID is likely caused by a combination of these factors, and the specific causes might vary from person to person. Researchers are actively investigating these possibilities to develop better diagnostic tools and treatment strategies for this complex condition. Unfortunately, diagnosing long COVID can be tricky. There's no single test for it, and its symptoms are often similar to those of other conditions, making it a challenging puzzle for medical professionals. However, the medical community is constantly improving its understanding and approaches in identifying long COVID. Despite these challenges, there are several treatments available that can alleviate symptoms, offering relief to those affected. With ongoing research and clinical studies, our arsenal against this condition continues to grow. It might be a long road to recovery, but there are ways to fight back and take back control of your health. If you think you might have long COVID, talk to your doctor. It's crucial to recognize the symptoms early, such as ongoing fatigue, brain fog, and difficulty breathing, which persist long after recovery from the initial infection. Many healthcare providers are now well equipped with strategies and treatment options to support recovery from long COVID. Engage in discussions about your health concerns and explore the various therapies and support systems that are accessible. There are resources available to help you get the care you need. Remember, you're not alone in this fight. With knowledge and support, you can manage long COVID and get back to living your life. If you are seeing me for the first time, please subscribe. If not, also subscribe. Thanks for watching.